Abat, since you say me will help you condemn God in Obaseki administration, we go help you spoil am. Since you say this administration what we shout, what will take our time, take our precious time, even not go work. I talked in daybreak the next day, I not fit go work, I no work out for this house. If not to use our time, to say we use at the same time what we use, take support Governor Obaseki. Say mo see akwaja value mo so use the same time. See test spoiler. We are ready. Abat, the lies in your mouth is too heavy. I not blame you. I not blame you. I blame us as many that is viewing me now. As you they blame me, now some me say blame you. Because you believe Abat even more than me during the election period. My code don't go. I don't denoma. I don't take injection. I not the sick again. You even believe Abat more than me during the time of election. Abat, if you say me scatter everywhere like this, I know so una get gone, una get toss, una get army, na Boko Haram army, na they work for una wanna take the key person. But please, in the name of God Almighty, and the name of anything where they give una level, where they give una mind, more than they lie. If you want to kill anybody, kill me. If you want to do anything, any harm to anybody, let it be me. It should be me. It should be me and me alone. Because this time around, we want to talk on the way it be. But you say some people say that things say supporting the government, not to the embezzle money. Not the only thing where they support government. But can you tell the congregation, the 2,000 view or the 2,000 plus view that view you now, say during this election, the money where Governor Obaseki bring come out for we for social media, can you come out to public to tell us, say you give us the money? Well, when I'm worried. But Governor Obaseki issued money for us, for we the presenter on social media. Brett Efeyi is aware of this. Eddie Murphy is aware of this. Combre Newty Binigun is aware of this money. Combre Lanti Oriaki, Combre Show is aware of this money. Bush Lion is aware of this money. Pahitro is aware of this money. Edo Voice is aware of this money. Abat, do we receive that money? Did you give that money to us? How much you bring come out? I still have it in email in my phone because thank God say the money where they bring come during Obaseki time, I know they put out for my direct account. You never issue money to Gladys William account. Never. The only money where they bring come, I give you my son, my first son account. Now I give you where they put money. For the beginning of Obaseki, I will stay less for the first day. I had a handshake with Governor Obaseki. I carry him matapu for head. I carry him matter. That word when you talk, say some people say to join government, not to the embezzle money. You just click yourself into a trap and never wanted to talk about. For you to even make sure, say, they know they collect money for a side government. You kick me to area and never wanted to step into. About how much did you pay to social media presenter in diaspora? Our money was issued in the Sadebe Avenue. I even messaged you. I told you, Abat, you not call this number. I'm not gonna kill you. Abat, they issue 800,000 each to all presenters in diaspora. Where don't they shout 4+4? You bring out 200,000. Say, you even said, is that 200,000? You want even select people where you go even give her the money. It shouldn't be everybody. I give you names. I give you names. I write names for everybody where support Obaseki give you. I didn't miss one. Even those where hate me, I write their names give you. I write their names give you. I write their names give you, Abat. You have their name. You say you go select those where you will give, say not be everybody. Who be this? Somebody, more not verse. Somebody said I talk too much. I need to remove this person right from here because now Krati member be that. Now some of our bat at me. You bring 200,000 and I message you. I tell you, say, Abat, can you reach me, say, money will reach our hand at 800K. Boss, the difference is too big. Clear me, wait till play. I called Bratefei. I said, don't collect that 200,000 from Abat. I called if you need man tell what I am na ya mio either ugbeme or igbue. Now one of the option. I called if I said, don't take this money from Abat. I called a comprenanti Igbinigu, the Archbishop of activism. Don't take this money from Abat. I was in Italy when this money came. That was when I got to Italy to see the father of my kids with Bella. I was in Italy when this money come. I called around. I said, this money will not take. Then Abat went on my WhatsApp and he tell me, say, Stainless, if I don't bring paper or file where the writer and say, now 800,000 they'll give us, he not going to even give me the 200,000. He say I must submit where the writer our name say he must give us 800,000. My brother, like this, I felt talking yesterday. The only thing they valuable for me for this land are my children. And if you want kill me, I not to see them again. Don't touch them. Don't go there. Mama, she not even send me message. I let my life. The day when I come governor house, my mother hold me very strong. He said, you are not going there. Tell me what you do first before you go see governor. Before they call person for government house, something might have happened. She hold me very strong. He said, I know they go. I tell her, I said, they said they need my help. She hold me, make her not go. So, she not send me. She not support my movement one day to governor office. Mama not support her. She not there among. She no even tell me, say, go come, self. She say, I must tell her, say, see what I do where they make me go there. If not, she not agree me, I go. So, come out her for the matter. Let it be me. It should be me. After we come battle this money, comrade Lanti Oriahi, the comrade show. He was the only one who spoke to Abat over this money issue. He talked to Abat. Comrade, I say you dead life now. Start confessing. It is time to set our land free or never. Freedom is now or never. The evil one has to be clear now or never. The honesty has to be reviewed now or never. We better start being honest to ourselves now or we will never do it again. We better start telling ourselves the truth now or we will never have the opportunity to do it again. It is either the time we start telling ourselves how it did happen for inside those states, the little that you know, through telephone conversation, through informal conversation, anyhow, through SMS, through WhatsApp, through email, the little that you know is about those state government. Let's bring it out now. Now. It is now. And it has to be now. And if it is not now, it can never replace again. If our voice not loud now, make it even past 3 months to settle everything within Nigeria. I'm not even talking about state anymore. It will never happen again. For that boy to talk, say, to follow politicians, not to they collect money. My brother, you slap me. You offend me. You offend me big time. You offend me big time. I'm telling you, I hate to the verse. And on the TV, so I go to the pastor. I'll sleep. I'll relax. More the thought truth now, or we will never have the time to say it again. Wherever you have the right, and you get the chance to say you see anything when you see, bring it up. Not wait for anybody to challenge you before you bring it up, because it is now. They might not challenge you if they think the evidence is very heavy. Because if they not challenge you, you go to fear to bring them up. You have to bring it up. You have to bring it up. Don't wait for them to push you before you bring anything out now. Don't wait for them to say they wait, make them push you first before you bring anything out. Because if the evidence is heavy, they will not push you to that length. They will not push you to that length. They will not push you to that length. Albert no say I be honest person. Albert no say no matter amount of money you're going to pay me, I must speak when it's the right time to speak. That is why you were bold enough and confident enough with your courage to summon me before His Excellency, your governor. Who you think is your Adola? Only you like him. You think only you like Governor Abi? Every one of us will love him before. As it is now, not get governor, not talk of the one where I like. You don't understand? As it is now, not get one. Governor Obaseki, I agree. Before they bring me come your office, they know say that's who I be. They know me. They know say I me be this. They know say if it's time for me to talk, I'll talk. They know me. They know say even that is what the identification Albert give you in your office. He say your SLS sir. This man here he introduced Eddie Murphy. You Albert, you introduce Eddie Murphy. You said this man here is the person who was very vital about human trafficking, to stop human trafficking and the oppression. And this man is very good. He has a very large platform. His voice, Eddie Murphy. He talk here. Eddie Murphy. Ya toge na sayamonu temebe fo na sayamonu kama we sele sutoge ne sele soge abe bueni ya Eddie Murphy do sayamonu ni ya Eddie Murphy do sayamonu gele gele do sayamonu gele gele do gbe yamonu gele gele do sayamonu gele gele. Eddie Murphy, you were there. Albert introduced you as the best man, as a good man who cried well for human trafficking must stop. That's why he introduced you. You know he introduced me now. He said this one way there inside. He said no matter even if you give her money, she must talk what she have to say. Yeah, but Eddie Murphy, not be say they introduce me. He said even if you pay me, I must talk what I have to talk. That's why he introduced me, the governor. And governor, thank God, who bring me to you, tell you who I am, before I sat down there. Like this, I'm telling you who you are. Oh, not get friend of evil. In my friendship, no oppression. In my friendship, no intimidation. In my friendship, everyone is equal. In my friendship, you don't know pass me, I don't know pass you. Guide me, I guide you. In my friendship, you wash my back, I wash your back. In my friendship, let's do it the way it is. In my friendship, it say it the way it is. My friendship now do it the way you know say now so it could take good for everybody. That is my friendship. That is the kind of friendship I keep with people. I don't keep friendship of money. I don't keep friendship of materialistic shit. I don't keep friendship. If you give me money today, you do anyhow tomorrow, I'll bless you. Because if I not bless you, will be like say you buy me with the small money where you give me. If I not tell you the truth, go be like say you don't buy my saliva, where God take bless me. If I not tell you, go be like say you don't buy the thing, where God dash me, say let's go to the world and be honest to anyone that come around you. Now so God take bless me. And my father tell me, say, if I go last for this life, the people around me must be happy. That is why I have no cockroach in my cupboard. That is why I not sabi carry body. That is why I be like tissue paper when you feel roll like this. You will see the ending if you come close to me. Now the kind of human being where God they bless me be that. Now the kind of person, woman I grow up to be, now be that. That one can't do. That one can't do. Nobody will not cry this money matter go meet. Even my mama, daughter Lorenta Ogboro tell me say this money was a very. If Obaseki say if your SLS, if you even say I'm lying now, come and tell me say I did not bring this money out, and you go swear oath for the second time before I go take am from you. Listen, I'm too big for football. Agree again, mommy. Mommy, I not agree again like this. I not agree again. I don't the vex. Mommy, I not agree again like this. I tell you, mommy, say you they press me down. You they tell me say let's calm down. That they listen to you. And I tell you, say the day when I go disobey everybody, I'm not gonna let anybody know. Now me be this, mommy. You know me very well. You have known me for years. This house, now me and you do house warm me for this house. You sabi me finish. You know your girl. You know I stand for truth. You know that is why you love me. You say you see potentials in me. You don't see failures in me. You don't see anything like disappointment in me. You say you see potentials in me. That is why you love me as a sister, as a girl, as you want to be my mentor. And I'm appreciating you big time. Big time. I'm appreciating you big time. Let me say this one the way it is. Once and for all. That was the second money Albert put for my son's account. Not to my account. The first money was what they call me, says, give me account, me to give you money, me to support your data. It was 100,000. 300,000. Now I come out. For even this 300,000, if I receive, is also receiving 100,000. Brother Efei, are you here? Can someone call Efei for me? Brother Efei, are you here? If you are here, tell me you are here, my brother. Let's set our land free. It is now or never. Not be everybody they see what they not be everybody they feel the pain what they feel. Abat not they feel what they feel. Abat not they feel am. What would they feel? Abat not they feel am. Because if they go they do shopping for yourself every month. He said that medicine dead there. Even though say medicine dead there, Abat. The medicine was COVID-19. Now only COVID-19 be sickness where there those states. Fever not they keep person. Typhoid not they keep person. Malaria not they keep person. Why did the government bring the medication out to even set some people free in the hospital? Why you not carry the medicine make sure and follow hospitals? Why the medicine not go hospital instead of being in a warehouse? Now why you not take train animal where don't die? Now why you not take train animal where don't die? Now why is not take train animal where don't die? Not be human being, now why is not take care of? But sometimes it's better not to talk than to be stupid, than to be ranting nonsense. It's better not to talk than you open that your gather teeth, then they talk rubbish. That your teeth will not get space, will be like Conway too full. Then they talk nonsense. It's better not to talk because during this election, you carry everybody to play. During this election, you carry everybody to do your year. During this election, you told everybody to say, now I'll let you know, pass. During this election, we just want to calm down. Make it not be like saying that talk back on the fight yourself. Now make us calm down. I know how many times I press it down. When if you want to act, I know how many times. I know how many times. You do this thing, to press everybody anyhow. You use that to turn everybody to mumu. Because of say, we just want to be one voice for one time in our life. For one time in our life, we just want to be united. You just want to be united. For one time for our life, we just want to be united. Say the truth. Save a land. Save a soul. But still, somebody like you inside was still fighting for your stomach. Somebody inside is still evil till now. You are not even worried about people that is dead. You are laughing because the numbers is reducing, it's not high. I see when you write down. It said for 100, I seen it to 17. You are even laughing that the numbers is not high, that is reduced. Even they say 200, we finally find 3. You should be happy. You should be happy, say not 300. You be laughing. But share your live video way they do these days. Share the one way they do before. You go know say difference day. No matter how you want to make this with matter. No matter how you want to paint this matter. No matter how you want to paint this matter. Una make a wrong mistake or involving me. If now they cry pull since. Una make a very wrong mistake for involving me. Una for no breed me come. Now for not breed me come. Even when the money not come out, I still continue. The day of election, I don't sleep. Many people not concerned I was doing everything I was doing because of money. I still continue for the heart where I get for God. He said he was a good man. I never know. Say it can be so in the States. It can inspire breaking prison. It can inspire area that people will make you feel make people see him as a good man. But he cannot go to inspect area that people will see him as a man of legacy. Godwin Governor, Obaseki. It's better to live like a hero of a legacy than to live like a wedded sheep man. I'm telling you, my life where I want to live, I know I may become billionaire or millionaire or trillionaire. I want to live a life where people say, even when I'm dead and gone, my story will remain like Ogbemudia, like every other good people, like Mercy Mandela, like every other people wey don't fight for justice, wey don't fight for freedom, wey don't fight against oppression. Now where I stand and be that. Now where my mind say make I go, now be that. I don't want to leave. May you come to tell me say she was the richest person on earth, but she was so heartless. I don't want to leave. May they tell me say she was so blessed with money, but he never think of about anybody. I don't want to leave. May they tell me say she spent all her years in Europe, she didn't even take about a less privilege. I don't want to leave. Say no, only her mama and her brother, her family, now she care about it, not care about people who will not get the opportunity. I care about everybody. During the corona crisis, na me busy, whether they laugh for Facebook, say they do beggar. As a beggar that I am, I still beg to give to those who don't know where to beg or who don't know how to beg. But what did you do? You give to your team. Only your crack team receive your goods. You bless your team because you know when you go stupid, those are the ones that will come out to say, our God the taught truth, our God the taught truth. Like you say, your people. You say my people will love me, they there. That was what you say in your live streaming. Those are your people because they love you. They are getting from you because the same way you are getting from the governor. The day where I go see governor, I reached there. My brother Tony Kabaka asked me this question. Kaboski. My brother Kaboski asked me this question. Say, Stainless. When you go see governor, how much he give you? Is that because nobody they go government has made they not give her money? If I not tell truth, or if I not tell my brother truth, who I go tell truth? Eddie Murphy! Let's come out. We are motivational speaker. That's why they carry us go government house. So now let me and you go there. Now let me and you go there. Talk what happen there. Now let you go fit. Now let you go fit. Tell me say Stainless, you are lying now. Now let you go fit. Tell me now say Stainless, you don't they lie. Oh. Now let you go fit. Tell me say Stainless, shut up. You are talking lie. Oh. Eddie Murphy come. Oh. Eddie Murphy come. This number where I pin. Yeah, call her. Me you call. Tell me say Stainless, you are lying. Or call her, tell me say, Stainless, Tefo. Call. Lare, come. Eddie Murphy. We won't go see governor. How much you give us? We talk finish. After we don't give our points, waiting we feel say it be our problem. Eddie Murphy talking you, me talk my own. Everybody we talk finish. As we want come out. See as I dirty, of course now. I dirty now. As I tell wake us this morning because of her bath. I don't even wear braces. If you want to see my breast, you want sock. I not see wear braces. I come. If I don't back, I not see negative comments. The only thing when I do, not to the block them. If I don't wacko, I don't see negative comments. If I don't wear this glass, I am mannerless. I fear no bastard. You get answer? Eddie Murphy. We read that say, tell us say me, I don't know say I go see person like you, governor, today. I can't, my burial I can't do. The father of my children, my mama died, so I can't join my children for the burial. So after we talk finish, as one come out, now I ask question, say, who can't do burial? I bet I dey lie. I cannot wawa. Am I lying? I cannot big man. Am I lying? Girl, men say Morocco, amavo se wogwani. E dede gbo ya brush, ugu se Morocco se sigara kan. Ayanganya. Men say Morocco, akome ye maso ogwane si. Og big man wo bakbo. Ule ya kono bani ya to go ya gie yo. Ule ya kono bani ya to go ya gie yo. Ogo da no we burial we na say na me. He give me envelope. Be like say I get that kind of envelope here. Abesa woro. Abesa zigi. Abesa tup. Abesa Abesa we. Yes. Gatwe mi no raka na kan fo. Get where we no rock and na kaifo. Get where we no rock and na kaifo. Hey, get where oh na kaifo. Get where we no rock and na kaifo. Get where we no rock and na kaifo. Get where oh your baze. Get where we no rock and na kaifo. Get where we no rock and na kaifo. Get where oh na kaifo. Nakaifo. Hey, get where we no rock and na kaifo. Great, I don't use. Wow. Gate no raka na kaifo heu gate no raka na kaifo apana ke mu ma wo yori meje ba o ina ya gba yan o gate no raka na kaifo hey gate no raka na kaifo aga ko we o gba ga mo me o ima poru no su gbo we ma si ju egbe gate no raka na kaifo gate no raka na kaifo wa ma o wa ga tie me o wa ma o wa ga tie me gate no mommy egme no ni matter no fo. Let's say it once and for all, as it is. Mommy, women, you are among the people who see good things in me. You don't see nonsense in me. So, I know if you can't use myself, can't they breathe dirty, can't they rub now. It has been long. You don't tell where they tell me, say, calm down. Today, I go disobey all of you. Later, if I come on, I don't pick. If I don't calm down, I'll say, check on me. Today, I go disobey all of you. Today, I must set myself free. I feel do nonsense, I still confess. Not talk or say, now even invite me come. The one where I do hide. Me don't do something hide. I confess. Not talk or say, the one where I even involve me put. Ija. Oyo pele. Ugba mo kede mi are gometas. Ugba me. Ukede mi are va. Huegi kuejo. Eruya gave my governor. He said, even if you giving me money, I will still say it the way it be. Like this. Magai pa awada we beriavo ena women no. Ti mo pari go ni na be dame. Nonsense. We are woman. We are Igimoa, my nation, my president. So if my family, why all that way boy, why my private jet play, wala diema. Nene velo por your tasse. It don't what tasse. If you are wait. Who is this? Man, give her better measurements. Where my scissors? Wait. Hey! Yo woko, amigo. Yo woko.
That period because no food. There's a wickedness in the highest order. Other person to explain. We need them like even Abbas. The levy the one you just say nothing business. I just thank God see somebody the Indo already record them. Indo go delete them. This is pure wickedness. I know as I did I not to get to many people still do not to get. We know how much we did that prayer. We still contribute to like 5 people on our own 5 or 6 or 10. According to your strength, they carry this kind of food go hide.
You get mad, don't use me to do nonsense.
No, they're too good. This is pure wicked. I just cry. This is pure wickedness. Let us do. Let it put your death away. You know, the world where there's the well state. Those who never do that many people, they shock everybody. Just look. What much do they do?
You not go better for now. I use me to play game. Me. Okay. Hello.
Hello. Mama, good morning.
Good morning. I bet Lord the one way they wash me. That one they make am vex me. Ah.
Yeah, this issue when they you understand. Oba eti ma yi ma ya o ma yi ma ya we accuse woman. Then family o ya accuse woman. You understand? O muri ya can lay the family of that big man. You must tell the governor ni must take him because I campaign there in manale le campaign.
Oh, ya baliate me o, ya baliate me o.
Family of them.
Abatu won't talk boy, if I not involve me for this. If I not involve me for this thing, when you know me well, say I love to bear this campaign. If I not involve me for this nonsense.
No, Mama, you not cry. You not get a big part. You don't do your part. You understand? No cry. You do the part. Not be tata. That your part now you do. But my family, I generation, now is disgrace. Mama, I'm not virgin. I'm not virgin. Thank God that I'm not swearing.
It just scatter my belly. You know what? Go and vote. I even push them out with empty stomach. Jesus.
Opportunity to eat.
I push them out with empty stomach.
They're dead for nothing.
I push them out without food. You even keep the food. If Tosin Obaseki na better person, as he don't win the election, he go say, I don't win no food where I have since day. But I can't carry oh. You don't even talk about. You don't talk about.
You know, pick up our say talk about all of them. All the leaders, all of them. No, all the dead people.
My father no forgive you. My spirit will never forgive you. My soul, my heart that is burning now will never forgive. My tears will never forgive you. God, Abbat. My tears will never forgive you. My tears will never forgive you. Because you take me go meet that man. Now you carry me go meet that man. Tell me say that man a better person. Now you tell me say man stop to the condemn Obaseki say na good man. You come pet me. You come carry me go see Obaseki. I cause it Obaseki say I don't support madman. Men nature say everywhere good though. Abbat, my tears not forgive you. Never, my tears will never forgive you.
They say they're not the forbidden. Mama, I'm not virgin.
Oh, I damn it. I for not joy.
I'm your man, that mama.
I for not joy.
Marine.
They will not add me joy.
This video not be able to cry or suffer. Because cry not such one who they so.
They will not add me joy.
Nigeria, with the one where the diaspora here. All of us drag together. When we take this bastard leader, so when they say we get, our children suffer for us. Our parents they suffer for Nigeria. They manage with issues of us. The issues where we say we never fix nose.
I tears not forgive you. Your pastor maybe not love all that you know here nowhere. You got for love where you go the governor ni amie. Our ama where you get ama where. You got a mama get your pastor kije come get a mask yao. Our ama where you get ama where. You na get your pastor kije mata mama wulu yari adwe kira make na nick me papa ya gima wuwa kugbe. Era look mele ano we. Umega nowhere. I maybe not love all that nowhere because. Whatever arriba.
Mama, beg, don't vex. The way they cry now, they all talk, you understand? Those are the old politicians, all of them, for me together, they don't say they have spoken to the devil. So, they don't even they feel for the masses. They don't care. I I remember that time before the this thing takes place, you don't start to be sad, when they go vote. Almost like you don't even care for us. When I said that, they think I cry. Many people die. They want to know when they rescue. It's not because you know seafood eat. Before a rich hospital is die. At the end of the day, everybody else they suffer. All the old politicians, for me, it's about with me this morning. I don't trust anybody from A to Z, but this one way they just do, so they just hide food. They don't even get human feelings in them. Mama, beg you don't do, just let everything go. You see, say na God, last nobody gets this world though. Last na borrow, even the land, everything what we get on the land. Last, everybody go die later. So nothing, no matter what they cry, the more they cry now, you dey hot talk. I beg you don't do, just let go. I beg. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm not talking now, I don't think mine.
Hello. Ma.
Well, I think all day, go here. Hey, yeah. Abati, why now? Abati,